All right, let's dive into TJ Institute of Technology in Chennai. If you're getting ready for the 2026 admissions, this is one to look at. And if you're applying through TNEA, make a note of this code, 1318. You're going to need it.
Okay, so right off the bat, a couple of things really jump out. First, it's an AICTE-approved institution that also has a religious minority status. And second, its location, it's right on Chennai's IT corridor, which is a huge plus, being so close to all the action.
So let's get into the basics first. We'll cover the college's identity and its official approvals. These are the must-know facts for your decision.
All right, here's the breakdown. The full name is TJ Institute of Technology. And yep, it's a private, self-financing college. It's been around since 2001, and, crucially, it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. And you'll see it has that religious minority status, which, as you know, can be a really important factor during the admission process.
So, who's behind the college? It was established by the Poniman Educational and Charitable Trust, and their goal from day one has been pretty straightforward: to create top-notch engineers and tech experts who are ready to hit the ground running in the industry. Now, this is a big one. For any engineering college, this is the most important checkmark you need to see. The college has active AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year. So yes, it's a fully recognized and approved engineering institution. That's a huge green light.
Okay, moving on to the academics. Let's take a look at the programs they offer and check out their faculty strength. So, what's the total capacity? We're looking at 540 undergraduate engineering seats available for admission. Now, the real question is, how are these seats split across the different branches? Let's find out. All right, here's the course lineup. You've got a big chunk of seats, 120 in fact, for computer science. No surprise there. Then you have the classic core branches like ECE, electrical, mechanical, and civil. But what's really interesting here are the newer, high-demand specializations. We're talking about AI and data science, CSE with a focus on cybersecurity, and even robotics and automation. This tells you the college is really trying to stay ahead of the curve and offer what the industry is looking for right now.
So who are the people teaching these courses? Well, based on their official data, the college has a total of 89 faculty members on staff. And among them, 12 have earned their PhDs. These are the folks who are typically leading the charge on the academic and research fronts at the college.
All right, let's get to the part everyone's waiting for, the million-dollar question. What about placements? Let's take a look at the data the college has reported on career outcomes.
Okay, so according to the data they submitted for TNEA counseling, the college has self-reported a placement rate of 85%.
Now, if we want to dig a little deeper, we can look at their mandatory NIRF data submission. This is data they have to provide. For the most recent 2023-24 batch, the numbers show that 35 out of 46 graduates who were eligible for placements got placed.
Okay, academics and placements are one thing, but what's it actually like to be a student there? Let's talk about campus life, specifically the practical stuff like hostels and getting to and from the college.
This is super important, especially if you're coming from out of town. The good news is they have separate hostels for both boys and girls, and the mess, it serves both veg and non-veg food, so you have options. For daily travel, there's a whole fleet of college buses that run across Chennai and the suburbs. And if you're taking the train, the closest station is Perungudi, which is only about 4 kilometers away.
All right, next up, let's talk about financial support. What kind of scholarships are available for students who might be eligible?
So there are quite a few options here. You've got the Government of Tamil Nadu scholarships for different categories like SC/ST, BC, MBC, and DNC, and that includes the very popular First Graduate Scholarship. Then there are also scholarships from the Government of India, especially for minority and OBC students, and on top of all that, the college itself gives out merit awards and even cash prizes to its university rank holders. So they're definitely encouraging good academic performance.
Now, just to be clear, all the information we've discussed today comes directly from the college's official website and has been cross-checked with trusted government portals at the time we put this together. We always want to make sure you're getting the most accurate picture possible. To explore more engineering colleges and really dig into your options, head over to profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.